China launches drone that can carry a 100 kilograms load to 1,000 kilometers away. The electric-powered V400 Albatross, developed by a Shanghai company, can perform tasks as diverse as carrying material, fast logistics, medical rescues and fire emergencies, and will play a great role in the transportation sector. The maximum takeoff weight is 400 kilograms, including a load of up to 100 kilograms. It has a maximum range of 300 kilometers at full load and a maximum range of 1,000 kilometers for the hybrid version. It is capable of performing round-trip air logistics transportation tasks.